guys, Joel Steeling here from option4wheeldrive.co.nz and Casey Highlights New Zealand and Rad Bumper New Zealand and many more. But here we are today in Thailand, about half an hour, 3/4 hour out of Bangkok, and we're here at TTN, designers and the manufacturers of the best body kits you will see fitted onto any Ranger or Everest in the world. And I'm just going to run you over a little recent build we've just completed, literally yesterday, and this is the brand new Bronco Ford Ranger body kit. So let's turn around, check it out, and I'll run you over it.
So here we have it, the brand new Ford Ranger and Ranger Raptor Bronco body kit. Now this has been made by TTN here in Thailand and is up to the highest of standards that you can expect of such a brand. This kit is also being developed for the Ford Ranger Everest next generation and will be ready later on in 2024. The kit includes these LED headlights, the Ford Bronco grille, also 100% steel front bumper, the fenders front and rear, as well as the flares and the bonnet you see here. The kit is fiberglass and the flares can come in fiberglass and or gloss carbon fiber. Now the body kits can be ordered from www.option4wheeldrive.co.nz and you can select it in your colour of choice and or you can just have it come black and paint it yourself. Now the cost of shipping is included in the price to your nearest port. You will be expected to cover any duty or final clearance fees at your end. If you are after the body lift and the lift kit on this particular vehicle, feel free to reach out to us again on the website as listed before, and we'll be happy to help you. Now here is the front steel bumper with steel tow hooks that are your rated recovery points. It also comes with 4 LED lights and all the holes for all your parking sensors. Moving up to the flare here, this is a 12 centimeter wide flare, so it's going to cover your negative 44 offset wheels. These are the biggest flares on the market to date, and we are super excited about getting them on the market. Now they can come color coded or in this matte black textured paint, and or we can do 100% carbon fiber, so fully gloss. We also have a set of electric side steps added onto this. Again, they are found on the option4wheeldrive.co.nz website and again are shipped worldwide. Coming around to the back end of the vehicle here, we have the tailgate cover, which is part of the kit, and we also have HKS twin pipe exhaust system, which is now ready for shipping worldwide, also found on the website. And the rear bumper here is a option 4-wheel drive sporty model that can also be found on the same website. Next up we have the 2023 Ford Ranger Wildtrak here. Now this has obviously had the F-150 body kit added and it just looks absolutely amazing in white. It almost looks factory. It's got the front LED lights, the grille, the bumper, the rear fenders, the front fenders and the rear LED lights to finish its package off. And as like I mentioned before, it looks just natural. It looks like it came straight from a Ford factory in this F-150 kit. So this is also available, not listed on our website yet, but if you are interested, just send us a message, and again we can ship this worldwide anywhere, and you will be expected to cover the duty and the final clearances once landed. So yeah, it's a beautiful kit, it won't disappoint, and just take it all in. Now, lastly, here we have, will you believe it or not, a 2012 Ford Ranger PX1. Now this has obviously had a serious amount of lift. We're looking at 7 inches of lift here with the F-150 body kit on it. Now everything you see on this vehicle we can order and we can ship to you anywhere in the world, so feel free to reach out to us and we can arrange that for you. Now let's just go over this body kit. It's got the F-150 kit, bonnet, grille, bumper, flares, fenders. It's got the clear view wide towing mirrors. It's got the option 4-wheel drive V2 side steps, as well as an option 4-wheel drive option X sports bar. Now it's got the roof rack up on top with the steady spotlights, and here we have the F-150 bonnet. Now there's so much to list on this vehicle, it's really hard for me to even break it down. So I'm just going to sit back, relax, let you take it all in, and yeah, feel free to reach out if you like anything on this build and you want to achieve it yourself. We can have it shipped to you. Even the HKS exhaust here, as well as a TTN rear bumper here, we can do it all. So thank you, and yeah, just take in the beauty of this PX1.
I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
So if you made it this far in the video, thank you for viewing. Now please take note, everything you see in this video is ready for order, so please head over to www.option4wheeldrive.co.nz, and we are shipping worldwide early to late January 2024. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.